Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro Yen monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish. We're not bouncing off a Fibonacci level yet. I definitely think this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and we're most likely in a big giant wave 3. I would expect it to bounce off a fib level before we even start a wave 4 and probably a wave 5. So definitely still very bullish. Heading down to the weekly time frame, no Fibonacci bounce, no break of structure, definitely still in an uptrend. Taking it down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame is where it starts to look like a wave 1 and a wave 2. If this is now in a wave 3, then it kind of seems a little too small to be a wave 3, but it may be a complete wave 3. We are at 100% Fibonacci extension, so if it does, break structure, it probably will prove that wave 3 is over. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it actually made its way up a little bit further, someplace around the 175, 5 or 176 area. Maybe end up looking something like this before it actually does and make a bigger move to the downside. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, been very sideways. Definitely does have that 345 shape. Looking at the JPY basket for correlation, it actually kind of looks more like this is a wave A, and that this is actually possibly like a wave B, like an irregular wave B, which may pop up a little bit more before it goes down and makes a wave C. The trend is definitely up, so I personally am looking at anything that I see to the downside as nothing more than a crescent to the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, definitely very sideways, but there is like a five-way pattern to the downside, almost like a leading diagonal wave A. Kind of seems like this right here could be a wave B. Maybe it will pop up a little more, maybe not. Maybe that we already had the top of a wave B right here. I do think there is a pretty good chance that it is going to now go down for a wave C, just like what I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So if you do get a chance to go short, I mean, as a short time frame trader, I definitely think that is a valid option to go short. But the bigger, better money is definitely still going to be made looking for longs at the end of ABC corrections, just like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector, if you'd like to get access to my swing trades and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.